Hello and welcome to our virtual time clock training series. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of working with the shift rules feature. Now this feature can be used to help eliminate unwanted overtime by controlling how and when employees can use the time clock. In this video, we'll be focusing just on how to create a new shift. We also have other training videos that will explain how to set up the rules and then assign them to your employees. But let's go ahead and get started. So with the time clock open, we're going to go to File, Turn Administration On, enter our password. And then we're going to go to the Configure menu and we're going to choose Shift Rules here in the first row. So this is where you can create as many shifts as you want. Now it's important to remember shifts should mirror your employee shifts, obviously. So you'll have a start and a stop time often for a shift. Maybe you have a standard 8 to 5 or likewise. And so you want these shifts to actually mirror when employees should be clocking in, when they should be clocking out. And that way the time clock can appropriately enforce these rules, okay? So we have a sample shift that comes with virtual time clock, so you'll probably see this days 8 to 5. So you can edit that, but in our case, we're going to go ahead and create a new shift by selecting New Shift. And then you can name the shift whatever you want. This is just for your own purposes. Employees will never see this. They'll never clock in knowing that they're on a certain shift title. So I'm just going to call this one Afternoons. And I like to put the start and stop time of the shift right in the title, so it's easy to locate later on. So we'll go ahead and save that. And then the name of the shift does not impact the actual start and end settings. So I need to go through here and change my start to 1 p.m. and my stop to 6 p.m. And again, these should mirror when employees would normally be punching in and out, okay? If you want to be able to track lunch rules, you need to make sure that you enter a number of minutes that a lunch break should be. Maybe that's 30. So I'll put 30 in here. And then differential, this is just used for if this shift gets premium pay and you want to include that in job costing. This is a great way to add this. You can set it to be an hourly percentage of their normal rate or hourly dollar amount. And you will need to add employee wages to use this, but we're not considered with job costing, so we're just going to leave that off. Okay. Now again, now that we've created the shift, the other things that you'll want to be doing is assigning clock in, lunch, or clock out rules here. And then obviously for the shift to do anything, you need to actually assign it to your employees. And we have separate knowledge-based content on that. If you're interested in just tracking late arrivals only, you can actually skip all the rules and go right to assigning these to employees, and then you can start to see who's arriving late. If you have any additional questions about virtual time clock, please visit our website to give us a call or send an email to service@redcourt.com.